Hey there, so we are here to talk about wagons, specifically sort of beach wagons, commuter type wagons. And I have a couple that I want to show you, compare and contrast the differences. Both of these were gifted by the brands, so I want to send a quick shout out to the brands for gifting these to me. First of all, in the compact form, this is how they both sit. So this one's a little bit bigger, but these wheels actually will pop off to make it even more compact. And they're pretty easy to pop the wheels off. I'm not going to do that right now because there's really no need. These have quite a bit smaller wheels. As you can see, just by, this is a typical beach wagon. And I'll go into a little bit later why this is probably the one you're going to want for the beach, but there are some great reasons why. But both of these, and then this one you can carry it like this once it's all compact. This one, it flips. So it flips on its side here with this piece coming around it. So you would probably have the wheels off if you were going to be traveling with it that way, but I'm just going to show you each of them. They both have collapsible handles, and then we will pull them out and show you what they look like fully expanded. This piece comes off here. And then this you push down like so. Oops. Just put that right off. This has an extra feature that one doesn't, which is this bottom in here that then gives a nice solid bottom. This one has it sort of built into it. But as you can see, this one is much higher. It's a much bigger. And then both of them, this one can fold up and it holds it together like this. So this is great for kind of, if you have little kids that you're taking around or groceries or something like that. And then this one, it opens up like so. And then this piece comes, so you can see how much extra room that one has when it's fully open compared to this one. So depending on what you need, they're both really good. And this one has, let me just see here. This one on the front part here, it's got a couple pouches that you could put your water bottles or things like that, snacks. This has two hanging on this side, and then it also has on this side where you can put a whole bunch of stuff. So you could put flotation devices, things here for the beach, your pool noodle type things, towels, whatever you want, and then you can put extra stuff here as well. So yeah, this is like, you could put, if you were taking a paddleboard, you could probably put an oar or something along there. Anyways, what is really great about this are the tires on these. This thing is going to be much better to maneuver around at a beach. Plus it has, this makes it very easy. The handle here, the way it goes up and down, and the wheels turn on the front. Now this other one, the handle goes up and down, but it doesn't have that directional pull for the handle. The wheels do turn, but these, they're not even really that grippy type of, it's more of just a plastic wheel. And they're fine to get around, but I'm not sure it's going to be the most comfortable pulling this around if it's full. Whereas this one, it's very much a lot bouncier. And those wheels, they're inflatable wheels. It comes with a little pump. And yeah, it's just all around. If you are looking, I've seen these wagons everywhere, and they're great for your minor little things, but if you want a real beach wagon, these wheels and all of this space and the storage is what's going to make that your ideal wagon for the beach. You cannot beat this thing. Just showing them side by side, like you see this online and it looks really big, but you put it beside something like this beast and it doesn't even hold a candle to it. So like I said, if you're not going to the beach and you're just going next door, or you're going doing a little bit of shopping and you need a wagon, this is great. If you spend any time at the beach, this is what you need.